What's up guys, Mafamenta here, and today we're here to play some Slime Rancher 2 Early Access. Now this game came out a few days ago, but unfortunately my Fomora subscription ended the same time it came out, so I was like, bruh. Before we get started, I want you guys to hit that like button, I want you to subscribe, and turn on notifications. With that being said, let's get into it. Slime Rancher 2 is currently in early access, and some platform or game features may not work correctly, may crash, or may be missing. Monument Park is hard at work and I can't even read. On expanding the world of Slime Rancher 2 with new places to explore, treasures to find, and slimes to wrangle in future updates. You can contact the support by. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Keeping it simple, I like that. Look at it. Begin, options, quit. 3. Nice. Let's begin. Choose a save icon. Okay. Oh. I remember a couple of these from the first one. The boom slime, I freaking hated the boom slime. And the spike slime. Nice. I think we're going to start with the iconic pink one. Tar. What the fuck is tar? Feral? Oh, okay. This is basically how hard you want the game to be. I guess. Alright, well, it was at 1 at first, so let's just play at 1. They're keeping it really simple with everything, like the loading screens, the startup screen, everything's just so simple right now. Oh shit. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get... Sorry everybody. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix LeBeau was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sunset across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock, with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. You have explored the far, far range, from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the perilous glass desert. But there are worlds yet uncharted. Beatrix LeBeau. Rainbow Island awaits you. We doing rhymes? We doing rhymes now? Okay. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Beatrix silently boarded the boat and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike the far range. You know, I'm just gonna speed past this. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Nice. Alright. Let's get moving. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh man, it's lagging a little bit. Hold on. Might have to change the settings. Out to it. Okay. Oh, we got ups now. Oh. Nice. I haven't seen any lag since that one, so we might be good. We might be good when it comes to lag. We might be good, I'm hoping. Alright, slimes are your key if you shoot slimes to it. No, it's still lagging. Hold on. We might have to do something if it keeps on. Alright, so what am I supposed to do? Go over here? Oh, it's inside. What am I looking at? What is this? Do I suck it up? What am I looking at here?
The biggest piece of dog shit.
Oh, through a court. I'm stupid, guys. I'm stupid. I played this before and I'm tripping. Okay. Well, I haven't played, you know, the second one, but you get what I'm saying. So just collect them all. Yeah. Got a port. You require a slime port. Slimes either make close. Okay. Shoot. Okay. Now over to the port line to capture port. Select back tank. Okay. Foot might get you this for the headphones. Okay. And of course, pink floors are always down. Of course. Even when you start up the game, really? They're down. That's... Dude, majority of everything is down. Even the high-ranking things are down. How come boom floors... What is going on? Everything is down for some reason. Alright. So what's next then? No Wi-Fi. Oh, system offline. Okay, I was about to say, we got Wi-Fi. It's just bad Wi-Fi, but it's Wi-Fi regardless. It's not heavy lag, I will say that. The lag I'm experiencing isn't heavy lag, so it's not like terrible. It's not terrible. Now if it was heavy lag, then I'd be like, yeah, we gotta fix this ASAP, but oh my gosh, bro, I cannot beat LeBron. Oh gosh. Alright, so what now? Do I just eat? Oh, this, okay, just sleep. Everything is so simple right now, dude. But low key, if I'm being honest with y'all, I'm liking it so far. Do I need a... I don't think I need to buy that right now. A garden. Okay. Everything is so simple. Like, compared to the first one, everything is very simple, dude. That's the... I know I keep saying the same thing over and over again, but that's just real. Yeah, let me try going outside. Let me see. Oh. So I can leave the castle. I can leave the castle! Yes! I'm no longer tangled. Okay. Aw, Snow White cat, let's get it! Bring it here! What just happened? I can't grab you? I can't grab you. You know what? Nah, you won't get this grabbing. What happened to the cat? Did I suck the cat? Okay. I'm sorry guys if I look like I'm new to this. I'm just trying to make sure. Technically I am new to this, but you know. You never know. I've been recording for 11 minutes already. I haven't done the damn thing. Alright. See, yeah, that's the lag I'm talking about. Like, it's not subtle, it's random. Are you gonna turn into crap too? Oh, there we go. Cotton slime. Just like me, for real. Oh, I'm just playing. That was racist as hell. Question, how far can I go? I can only glide. I can only glide. Unless... Let me try something. Huh. Yeah, I can only glide. What is this? Yo, I'm kind of tired of bugs. So, you know, I'm thinking about, you know. What do you do? Access and GG Law. Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place. I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. One day I'll be able to read. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess in a way it was. Because it would... I need to go back to reading class, bro. What the frick? Because it ended much too soon. Alright. So I'm pretty sure I can't carry y'all with me. But, I'm gonna see how long I can carry you, big boy. Argo slimes are slime hybrids forming like slimy supporting like something. Back to keep them on your nozzle, shoot send fly. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna take you back to the crib. And I have nowhere to put you though. So I'm about to... Yeah. I threw him too far. I threw him too far. My bad, bro. I didn't mean to throw you out my crib. There you go. Now I think about it, you might be able to get out of the crib. You might be able to get out though, that's the thing. How high can you jump? Oh. See, the problem is y'all like to jump too much. I already know you're gonna try to escape. I already know. Matter of fact, yeah, I got y'all some more friends. Hey, come get your friend, cuh. Actually, I should have made... That's right, I should have made it for them. Hold on. My bad, cuh. I'm gonna take it home for you real quick. It's kind of messed up, bro. I just evicted him. I just evicted my boy. For no reason. Yo, is this thing gonna go away? Okay, thank you. Wait, can you sprint on here? You can sprint on here. Let's get it, boy.
Rolling around at the speed of sound.
I would take y'all with me, but if I can remember correctly... Oh, thank you for that. Thank you for that. No. I would take y'all with me, but y'all... Y'all need darkness. Last time I checked. Oh boy. Where they at? I haven't heard y'all in a minute, so where you at? Oh. Shiny and big. Nice. Largo! Gordo, my bad. How much food do you take? Because I remember y'all used to take a lot. Nah, y'all only do veggies. Alright. Let me see. Nope. Still need more. I'll come back with more veggies. Alright, I got you some more veggies. Bruh. How many veggies you need, bruh? I'm glad you're eating healthy, but... Bruh. Alright. I'll check with the... Oh my god! Okay. Way too many of y'all. Alright, bruh. I think I'm gonna die. Go away. Oh my goodness. Where's some water? Where's the water? Okay. Alright. Out of here. Come on. Out of here. Come on. Go with your brother. Out of here. Another one. Yup. He was about to bite me. Bro, just chilling up there now. Oh, hey, let go of the thing. Let go of it. Where bro dropped to? They thought you was slick. Can I throw him onto another? Okay. Y'all safe now. Well, you were safe until they came along. That's why y'all gotta stop eating each other's poops, man. Like, this is why you don't eat other people's waste. What is this? Oh, these are maps. Oh. Y'all put maps in this game now? Can I move? I can move. Dang, y'all got a lot of locations you can go to. I can explore these parts. I just went straight out the door. Dang. See, in the previous game, I don't think they put a map. I guess they didn't feel like they had to. Okay. Nice. Alright, yeah, eat your own poop. Don't eat anyone else's. Someone said that lettuce is basically water. I'm not sure how true that is, but I mean, not gonna sit here and deny it. Okay, when you bite into lettuce and chew it for a while, what do you taste? I got a question for y'all. What honestly, what do y'all taste when you bite into lettuce? Every single time I bite into lettuce, that's all I'm tasting. Someone just blew up over there. That's all I'm tasting when I'm biting the lettuce. It's straight water. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ah. Oh. Secret. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountains. Secret, 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 secret tunnel. Oh god. What just happened? Am I tweaking? That was cool and everything, but what was the point of that? Refinery links. Hey, how you doing? Refinery links can conveniently transfer resources and ports to the refinery where they can be used exclusively for slime science in the slime science lab. I'm literally about to read a book after this game. I swear. Okay, so I'm guessing for science? Okay. Wait, is that what that was? Please tell me that wasn't what that was. I'm not gonna question how I got over here, but I'm just glad I got over here. Oh my gosh, my arm hurts. Yo, what is this place? Okay. Steven Universe? I'm just kidding. Never finished watching that show, by the way. I should have. Ooh. Let me check what's over here real quick. Anything over here? Interesting. You're probably wondering why I haven't said anything like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Well, it's mainly because I've seen a lot of these fluffies in the first one. But once I see something extraordinary, now that's when I'll be like, you know, this is really cute. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got some blues in the chat. What's up, homies? I hate when y'all get big, 'cause y'all mess me up, but you know. I'm gonna try to keep food away from y'all, because if y'all eat, so they can hurt you when they're small now, huh? Alright, bud. Alright, bud. I didn't even mean to pick you up, cuss. Hit that dude, anyway. Y'all, we finna fist fight, bro. I'm finna throw. Don't make me. I'll make one of y'all eat another person's pork, and then they'll mess up all y'all. How about that, huh? I am willing to cause that type of damage. Hey, cuh, how I get home, cuh? Yo, is that honey? Yo, where Winnie the Pooh at? What in the world are you? Hey, yo, cuz. Hey, cuz. They mad violent. Hey, bro, y'all gonna have to go somewhere with that, bro. Nah. Nah, come here. Go somewhere. I just sent them to block off my exit. Okay. Oh, why? 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 I want answers. I want answers. What did I do to y'all? Bastards. Alright guys, that was a little bit of Slime Rancher 2. I'm not gonna lie, I got lost. I couldn't find my way back to the house, so I ended up, you know, having to take myself out. Anyway, yeah, so far my first impression of it, it's pretty good. Like, I like that they went simple, but I think they went kind of too simple. Like, even the designs are simple. So I'm like, I don't know, maybe they might detail it up a little bit, try something different. I don't know. Also, guys, you might be seeing my reactions from a different perspective now. You know, just a heads up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I want you guys to stay safe, stay positive, and remember, be mindful.
Yeah, and I'm a real thug. I'ma go to the store and buy a box of hugs. Yeah, talking about that kid juice. Yeah, when I get done, I'ma watch some Blues Clues.